Gum disease is a bacterial infection that affects the gum tissue and bone that surrounds the teeth. It is one of the most common oral health problems in adults. Gum disease can be caused by a number of factors including genetics, poor oral hygiene, and certain medical conditions. As it progresses, it can lead to more serious consequences such as tooth loss and heart disease. What causes gum disease? The bacteria in the mouth can cause gum disease if they are not properly controlled. The most common symptoms of gum disease include red, swollen, and bleeding gums, bad breath, and receding or losing teeth. Good dental hygiene is one of the most important things you can do for your health. It gives you stronger teeth, healthier gums, and better breath. But gum disease, tooth decay, or bad breath have nothing to do with how good your oral hygiene is. According to a study conducted by the University of Michigan, there are 20 billion bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria reproduce every 5 hours. And after they feed on your gums, they start devouring the ligaments that hold your teeth and support the bones, your teeth loosen, and the roots get fractured. And it's only a matter of time until you'll face infections, throbbing pain, and tooth decay. But no dental or medical method can destroy gum-eating bacteria. No matter how well you clean your teeth, at least 10% of the bacteria will remain hidden inside the gum pockets. Why? Because no traditional or advanced dental cleaning method can reach that deep. Mouthwash might cover the entire area and go deeper under the gums, but is not powerful enough to break the plaque. Actually, all it does is attack your taste buds. With predatory bacteria buried deep inside your gums, eating at your roots and spreading like a plague to your throat, nose, and airways. Not even the most profound cleaning treatments can reach and destroy these bacteria that are tirelessly lurking inside your mouth, even when your teeth seem fine. But once you'll find out what you can do about it, not only will you have the power to get rid of your bleeding gums, bad teeth, and bad breath once and for all, you'll also never have to face a dentist for horrifying procedures again. Because this solution is so simple that you can use it right now in your own home in less than 60 seconds. And so incredibly powerful that it has been clinically proven to work regardless of your age, medical condition, or the severity of your tooth decay. Without you having to spend a single red cent on endless dental treatments, dangerous chemical-filled medications, painful tartar removal, risky surgeries, or implants. In fact, this cheap method is so fantastic. Yes, I know how incredible this sounds. Especially if you've been suffering from tooth decay and terrible pain thinking there's no escape whatsoever. Just imagine. No more throbbing pain, no more inflamed, bleeding gums and bad breath. No more risking serious infections or stuffing yourself with medications hoping the pulsating tooth agony will stop for just 1 second. Never having to cover your mouth or feel embarrassed. Instead, eat whatever you want, whenever you want. Talking, smiling, and taking pride in showing your pearly whites. And never ever having to set foot in a dental office again. So, what in the world could be powerful enough to reach the bacteria, destroy it for good, and clean the plaque? There's one and only one thing that reaches. Every corner of your mouth goes under your gums, it is your saliva. The solution. Turning saliva into the most powerful disinfectant that would break the tartar and destroy all the termite bacteria. Do this 60 seconds dental trick before going to bed tonight to rebuild your teeth and gums and get rid of tooth decay. To learn more about this dental trick, you will find the link in the description.